All right, we're going to do P-134. I did a new part sketch. I'm going to go ahead and click this here. I'm going to do the right side. Click the space bar. Make sure you're on the right side. There's the origin. Click that. I'm going to go over about 4, roughly. I'm going to go up about 2. Go over about 1.75. Go down roughly in here. Now you got smart dimension this thing. Should be pretty easy. So here we are here. I'm going to do 4, enter. Side here, 2, enter. Top, 1.75, enter. Right here. Now don't mess this up here. Is it 0.5 or is it 0.75? Look at that on the drawing. It's 0.5. Now you're going to go ahead and this dimension is unknown. We can dimension if we want, but it's not necessary. And go to Features, Extrude, and this thing is 1.75 thick, 1.75, enter. Green check, done. Okay, do this fast. Spacebar. Let me go to the back side. Click on this face. You're telling the computer you want to do a new sketch. I go to Sketch, sketch out a rectangle, about like that. Good enough. Smart dimension. What dimensions are on your sheet? Well, we know that from here, left click, to here, left click is 0.5. We also know if you do the math, 1.25 minus 1.75 is also 0.5. So from here to here, 2 mouse clicks is also 0.5. And we know that from here, left click, to here, left click, look, this is 0.75. And if you can't see where I got those dimensions from, you need to ask. Otherwise, you're going to have a really hard time on a future hands-on test. So now I'm going to go to Features and Cut. Cut this. Spacebar. Alright, I'm going to go through all. My computer's kind of glitching, so I will just go ahead and type in a big number here. Big number or through all doesn't matter. Done. Looks perfect. If it doesn't, check your dimensions. By the way, one last thing I want to tell you is that if you did make a mistake, you can go back. For example, on sketch 1, if I double click it, I'm in the sketch. I could change this guy to, say, 0.4, if that's what the dimension was. Up here, this saves your changes, cancels your changes. So save, everything's updated. If I want to go here to my Boss Extrude 1, I could double click it. Nothing really happens. If I right click it and I go Edit Feature, I could say, hey, you know what? This thing is going to be 2 instead of 1.75. Awesome. And then over here on Sketch 2, I could click Edit Sketch or double click it, doesn't matter. I could say, hey, you know what? These dimensions are actually 0.6, and this one's actually 0.6 as well. And this one now is 0.7 because that's what the new client wanted. Again, save changes, cancel changes. So save. So it's really awesome. It's kind of like if you have a Word document, you know, your English teacher has some revisions for you, go back and change it. It's kind of like in SolidWorks, you know, you get some revisions from a client. You got to go back in here and just basically left click, edit the sketch, or left click, edit the feature. And that's how a lot of engineering drawings are basically initiated and redrawn and updated and refined and tested and refined. It's going back into SOLIDWORKS and changing stuff around. If you're really smart, you can rename these to basically reflect what the actual part is. So if I click, I can type in something like right side sketch 1 or something like that. Alright, that's it. Save this as 1-34. Thanks for watching.